Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys wanna change the device language, or you guys feel that the language on your device not match with language that you want, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change the language easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that I have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to general management, and then after that now you can go to language and then click add language, and I will add Indonesian as example and click set as default, and the language on your phone will change immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.